Hello everyone, it's a baking day today. Let's make super delicious eggless mawa muffins. To make them, first we will need soft butter. As the temperature here is very cold, I melted the butter a little but not completely. I used 50 grams of butter here. Now we have to add 10 grams of castor sugar in the bowl and beat it until fluffy. It's ready. We have to beat it until it's like this. Now we will add 100 grams of sweetened condensed milk in the mix. Some people also add vanilla essence in mawa muffins, but trust me, when it comes to mawa, the best flavoring agent is always cardamom powder. So I am using only cardamom powder here, not vanilla essence. Now we have to add 40 grams of room temperature milk and 90 grams of grated mawa in the bowl and mix it. Do not overbeat here. Also we have to add a little amount of cardamom powder here. I took 3 cardamoms. Do not worry if your batter curdles because it's like this only. Beat it until it's like this. Now we will mix the dry ingredients in the batter. First we will add 65 grams of refined flour, that is maida, along with half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We will sieve it and then mix it. Do you know everyone loves my Nutella brownies? You can also try it. The video is already uploaded on my channel. Do try it and give me the feedback. Now pour the batter in a piping bag so all the muffins are evenly made. If you do not have a piping bag, you can also use ice cream scooper. And if you have none of them, you can simply use a spoon. We have to fill half of the molds with the prepared batter. Again, we can use an ice cream scooper or a spoon here to fill the molds. Also, you can cut the piping bag a bit more so that it's easier to fill the mold. Fill just half of the molds because the batter will rise too. If you fill more than half, then the batter will overflow. You can also garnish them with your choice of nuts. Bake them at 160 degrees in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. Look how spongy they are. You know, my family ate them just in 5 minutes, all of them. They were so delicious. Do try them and ask any questions in the comment section. Bye-bye.